Welcome back everyone. I hope you're doing amazing. I'm going to be showing you how I make this super simple herbal body wash. This lathers amazing on your skin. It's mild, it's not harsh on your skin, it's super easy to make. As always, I'm going to show you my process step by step. So let's jump right in. And if this is your first time stopping by, my name is Esther and I make DIY hair and skincare videos, and I also sell my products on my website. If you want to check that out, I'll have that linked in the description box. So let's jump right in. I'm going to get started weighing out my ingredients, and I'll have the complete formula in the description box, ingredients and links to where I purchased my ingredients from. So for this formula, I'm using 2 botanical extracts. They're in powder form. I'm going to be using Burdock root extract. This extract is simply amazing. It's packed with so many vitamins, minerals, and I'm also going to be using rosehip powder as well. This has super high levels of vitamin C. It has 32 other minerals, vitamins like A, B, E, K. So these extracts are what I'm using in this body wash, but there are so many more amazing botanical extracts. If you don't have these 2, you can always substitute this out for some other extracts. So I'm going to weigh out my thickener. For this wash, I'm going to be using xanthan gum, soft. I love using this thickener. You can also use guar gum, you can also use HEC. And I'm going to add in some vegetable glycerin. Vegetable glycerin is going to help mix in your xanthan gum, so that way there are no lumps or clumps in your finished product, and it's also going to help hydrate your skin. For my water phase, I'm going to add in my distilled water, and I'm also going to add in my rosehip powder. Both botanical powders I'm using are both soluble in water, so they're going to dissolve nicely. Next, I'm going to add in my burdock root powder. This powder helps to deep clean your pores, and it's actually great for dry skin as well. And then I'm going to add in my preservative. I am going to be using Optifen. I have 2 preservative videos. I'll leave that linked in the description box as well. And I also have my preservative workshop. That's a 2-hour workshop. If you want to check that out, that also has tons of information about choosing preservatives. So I'm just going to mix everything to blend it all up. I usually do this for a couple of minutes just to make sure my preservative is well mixed. I'm going to set this aside, and I'm going to weigh out my surfactants. I'm going to be using cocamidol propyl betaine. There's so many other surfactants you can use, and I'm also using desul glucoside. I love this blend of surfactants. It gives you a really good lather in this body wash. So now that I've weighed out my surfactants, I'm going to grab my xanthan gum container, and then I'm also going to grab my water phase container, and I'm going to add the water phase into the xanthan gum, and I'm just going to start mixing. So I usually do this, it depends, anywhere from 30 seconds to a minute. I just try to agitate the xanthan gum mixture so that way it can start to thicken up. but it really doesn't take very long. I know I usually don't do this for more than 2 minutes. So once it started to thicken up, I'm going to add in my surfactants. You can always adjust the thickness of this wash by adjusting your thickener. So either add more or less xanthan gum depending on the consistency you want. So I'm going to add in my surfactants blend, and once I add this in, I'm just going to carefully mix so that way I don't create too much lather. So I'm going to go ahead and check the pH. So my general rule when I'm checking the pH, I weigh out about 10% of my product to 90% of distilled water. This is for my washes, my creams, my lotions, 2 grams of my mixture to 18 grams of distilled water. So this is what I always use. I'll use my pH meter and then I'll take the reading, and the initial reading for this was 6.86. So I'm going to adjust this with some citric acid solution. I have a video showing how I make this. I have that linked in the description box. I added about 6 drops and I'm going to mix this in, and I'll repeat the whole process again. I'm trying to lower the pH down. I usually like my body washes to be under 6. So I'm just doing the same thing here, mixing the product with distilled water, and then I'll take the reading a second time. Final reading was at 5.73. I'm usually okay with this as long as I keep it under 6 for my body washes. If I do my face washes, I keep it well below 5.5. So this is just my personal preference. You can always lower it down some more if you want to do so. So this is what the herbal body wash is looking like. This made 170 grams of product. I always say with xanthan gum, give your formula at least 24 to 48 hours for the final consistency, because it does change. This is going to smoothen out some more, so it's not going to be as clumpy. But as always, feel free to make substitutions and changes to work better for you. But I hope you enjoyed this formula. This is such a gentle cleansing lather. It doesn't feel drying on your skin. So let me know if you have questions in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them. As always, please don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Don't forget to turn on your notifications so that way you don't miss any new videos that I upload. And also, please don't forget to like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.